Hey folks, Tom here. Do you hear that? It's the new buzzword in every financial news story, in practically every earnings announcement. And I'm talking about AI or artificial intelligence. But with all that talk, where are the best stocks to invest in this space at? And how do we invest in them? That's the focus of today's video. Hey again, Tom Gentile here. And today I want to talk about part one of a two-part session on AI investing. Today I want to discuss how to build your power AI stock list. And it starts out quite simple. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to ask ChatGPT to build it for me. So I've logged into ChatGPT and I'm asking it very simply to give me a list of publicly traded companies using artificial intelligence. And that ChatGPT responded, said, here's a list of publicly traded companies that are involved in the field of artificial intelligence as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021. And it just goes on to say status and composition of the list, blah, 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 further research. Basically what it did, folks, is it responded to me with 19 companies in one way or another involved with AI. Here's the list: Alphabet, Microsoft, NVIDIA, IBM, Amazon, Baidu, Tenet Holdings, Intel, Salesforce, Alibaba, Qualcomm, Facebook, Apple, Sony, Cognizant, Twilio, Planeteer, Splunk, and Nuance Communications. Now, I want to take what ChatGPT just gave me and I want to dig a bit deeper. First thing I want to do is I want to take this list that I just gave you and I want to add it to a list to keep track of, right? Because I need more information. And you know where I want to go for it? I want to look at these stocks by market capitalization. So the site I want to go to is www.companiesbymarketcap.com. Now, when I bring up companies by market cap, this is the first thing that pops up. It shows me by market cap the most valuable companies out there. And as you can see, this is the top 5: Apple, Microsoft, Saudi Aramco, Alphabet, and Amazon. And so as you can see here, this website will give us all kinds of companies by market cap. But if you just want the AI companies, what you got to do is you got to click in the category at the top and click on AI. Now, the result there is going to be about 30 companies. It's possible that the 19 that I just looked at and just shared with you are part of this group of 30. They could be the same as ChatGPT. But guess what? There's 11 more in that list that I did not get. So I want to add those to that list as well. I also wanted to tell you that I need to find out which of these lists are optionable, because maybe I don't want to buy the stock on it. Maybe I want to take an option trade instead. So what I did was I took that list, both of those lists, combined them, and went to determine which of these were optionable. Here's what I found out. From ChatGPT, only 12 of those 19 stocks are optionable. And from market cap, I got 23 optionable stocks out of 30. So when you put it all together, it's about 35 stocks. Here is my updated list of those optionable AI stocks as you can see them. I'm not going to name them all out. I've got them on the screen here for you, but the big names are still there. The Apples are still there. Alibaba, Baidu's on there, Google's on there, IBM, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Tesla, and many, many more. Now, I'm not done yet. Some of these companies I've never heard of. So I want to run this list again one more time. And what I want to do with this list is I want to take all of these stocks that are optional and I want to re-rank them, because I want to see which one of them, these stocks, have been pushing the overall market higher. So I'm going to take that AI list and I'm going to rank it on a high-low to see year to date which ones are trading at the top of their range. So I did that, and this is the list that I've got. Now, out of those 35 stocks, 16 are trading in the top 10% of their range so far this year. And that list starts with Planeteer. Now, you see Planeteer and go all the way over to the right-hand side, and you'll see where it says close minus low divided by high minus low. The higher that number is, the higher we are trading near today's highs for the year. Planeteer is at 100%. That means it's trading, as of this broadcast, it's trading at new highs year to date. So is Apple. So is C3 AI. So is Microsoft. And so is Intel. From there, you'll see stocks like Innodata, which is trading in the 99th percentile. I mean, nearly at new highs for the year. Upstart Holdings near its yearly highs. NVIDIA, Tesla, Amazon, and so forth are near their yearly highs. All the way down at the bottom, you see Alphabet, which is also Google, and that's trading at 92.95. That means it's trading near its top 10%. It's actually in the 92 percentile, with 0 being on its low year to date and 100 being on its high year to date. So in summary, this list has been cut in half. 16 optionables that have largely been the reason the overall stock market has been higher, especially in the last quarter. Now, we talked about the fact that 0 to 100, these stocks are all trading at 90% plus year to date. The top 5 are hitting new highs for the year as we speak. Now, this list, it's going to be a moving target, because if I run this from time to time, some of these stocks may drop off the list. Some of these stocks might appear on the list. Your takeaway isn't the names, it's the involvement in the AI that they're in today, and whether or not you want to invest in these. As far as investing in these, I'm going to save that for part 2, and we're going to talk about that then. I'll see you then. Bye now.